Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance Love Journal. The song is Love YTT. The artist is CKAY, and the choreography is KATRINA C. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in learning the step-by-step instruction to this line dance, I will post the instructional at the end of this video. Also, please join Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself next year at the 4-day line dance weekend, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens this year, June 1st, and you can book your hotel. All details take place at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com, and I'll see you there. Let's go. That's called Love Journal. A real easy peasy. Make sure you check out the instructionals, send it to your student guides, and I'll see you at the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.